Welcome to e-Educational Dispensary. Press the bell icon to never miss any updates.
औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सद्री वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली. Dear students, today we will solve problem set 1. In problem set 1, question number 1, question number 1. Choose correct alternatives for each of the following questions. There are 4 alternatives given. For each question 4 alternative is given. So we have to solve. Let's solve question number 1. Draw graph of 4x plus 5y is equal to 19. Find y when x is equal to 1. First we have to find the value of y when x is 1 given, and then we will plot the graph. So let's put the value of x in this equation. पहले हम इसमें y मालूम करने के लिए x की वैल्यू को पुटअप करेंगे. So therefore 4 into 1 plus 5y is equal to 19. Therefore 4 plus 5y is equal to 19. Therefore 5y is equal to 19 minus 4. Therefore 5y is equal to 15. Therefore y is equal to 15 upon 5, and let's cut this one, divide y is equal to 3. Here 4 options are given. A is 4, B is 3, C is 2 and D is minus 3. So B option is correct. Y is equal to 3. Let's see second one. Find simultaneous equation in variable x and y when given dx is equal to 49 and dy is equal to minus 63. It is given, दिया हुआ है, dx is 49 and dy is minus 63. You have to find x and y when d is 7, then what is x. अगर हमें फॉर्मूला याद हो, what is x हमें मालूम करना है, और इसके लिए हमें पहले x का मालूम करने का फॉर्मूला मालूम है. What is the formula of finding the x? X is equal to dx upon d. Put the value of all the things. X we have to find. dx is 49 upon d is 7. 7 sevens are 49. So x is 7. Here 4 options are given. A is 7, B is minus 7, C is 1 upon 7 and D is minus 1 upon 7. So we have to find the value of x. So value of x is 7. That is option A. Now question number 3. Find the value if 5 minus 7, 3 and 4 minus 4 is given. Find the value. So let's remember our first chapter, first exercise, cross multiplying and minus. 5 into minus 4 minus 3 into minus 7. 5 4s are 20, so minus 20. And here minus minus plus 7 3s are 21. Answer is minus 20 and plus 21 is 1. Here option A is minus 1, B is minus 41, C is 41 and D is 1. 4 options are given. We have find D is that is 1. Our answer is 1. Now solve the fourth one. To solve x plus y is equal to 3 and 3x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. And it is given solve by determinant method to find d. To find d, we have to find d by determinant method. So let's, in determinant method, we have to remember the equation. Equation is a1x, like this. See the equation, x plus y is equal to 3. This is our equation number 1, and in here 3x minus 2y is equal to 4. From left side this come to right side 4, and this one is equation number 2. Here question is given, find d. For d we have to write here a1, a2, b1, b2. What is a1, a2? a1, a2 is 1 and 3. 1 and 3. b1, b2 is 1 and minus 2. Solve this. 1 into minus 2 minus 1 into 3. Here this is minus 2 and this one is minus 3 is equal to minus 5. So D is minus 5. Let's solve the fifth one. AX plus BY plus is equal to C and MX plus NY is equal to D, and AN is not equal to BM, then these simultaneous equation have, there are 4 options, only one common solution. Both the equation are in the same form. So first option number 1 is right. There is only one common solution. Now this way our question number 1 is completed. Here in question number 2, complete the following table to draw the graph of 2x minus 6y is equal to 3. टेबल यहाँ दिया हुआ है x and y, xy, x first given is minus 5, xy is minus 5. So just write the equation 2x minus 6y is equal to 3. Instead of x, write the value of x given minus 5. So therefore 2 into minus 5 minus 6y is equal to 3. Therefore minus 10 minus 6y is equal to 3. Therefore minus 6y is equal to 3. This from left side comes to right side. This will become plus 10. Therefore minus 6y is equal to 13. Therefore minus here to multiply by minus. Multiply by minus. So minus from here, minus will get cancelled, plus 6y is equal to minus 13. Therefore y is equal to minus 13 upon 6. This is the y's value, that is minus 13 upon 6. Now let's find the second one. Y is given 0. So write the equation 2x minus 6y is equal to 3. Y is 0. Therefore 2x minus 6 into 0 is equal to 3. Therefore 2x minus 0. 6 into 0 is 0 is equal to 3. Therefore, 2x is equal to 3. Therefore, x is equal to 3 upon 2. X is 3 upon 2. So, in this bracket, x and y, so write here minus 5 as a x and minus 13 upon 6 as a y. Here in this bracket, 3 upon 2 as a x and 0 is as a y. Now, question number 4. Find the value of each of the following determinants. There are three questions. Number 1 is 4, 2, 3 and 7. Number 2 is 5 and minus 3, minus 2 and 1. Third is 3 and 1, minus 1 and 4. Let's solve these three questions. Find the determinants. Means find the D. D is equal to, write the formula. D is equal to cross multiplication 4 into 7 minus 3 into 2. 7 for the 28 minus 3 to the 6 is equal to 28 minus 6 is 22. Now see here. D is equal to 5 into 1. 5 into 1 minus, here again minus the sign is there, so take bracket, minus 2 and minus 3. 5 and the 5 and this 3 to the 6 minus minus plus, again plus minus minus 3 to the 6. So this comes minus 1. Here D is equal to 3 into 4 minus 1 into 1. 3 for the 12 minus minus plus 1 on the 1 is equal to 13. Let's solve question number 5. There are 5 subparts. First one is 6x minus 3y is equal to minus 10, and other equation is 3x plus 5y minus 8 is equal to 0. हम देखेंगे कि इक्वेशन अपने प्रॉपर फॉर्म में है या नहीं, तो यहाँ पे उस फॉर्म में हम लाएंगे. Therefore 6x minus 3y is equal to minus 10. This is our equation number 1. Here this is not in proper form, so convert in proper form. 3x plus 5y is equal to minus 8 comes right side, then plus 8. It is our equation number 2. Here instruction is given, solve the equation by Cramer's method. Method is given Cramer's, so we have to solve this equation by Cramer's method only. So find D. D is equal to A1, A2, B1, B2. What is A1, A2? A1, A2 is 6 and 3. B1, B2 is minus 3 and 5. Let's find 6 and 5. 6 into 5 minus 3 into 3. 6 5 the 30 minus plus 3 3 the 9, that is D is 39. Now find dx. Dx is equal to, take the formula, C1 C2 and here B1 B2. What is C1 C2? Minus 10 and 8. Minus 10 and 8. What is B1 B2? Minus 3 and 5. This comes to 10 minus 10 into 5 minus 3 into 8 minus 50. Here minus plus 8 3 is 24. Minus 50 plus 24 is minus 26. Find dy. Formula of dy is a1 a2, here c1 c2. What is a1 a2? a1 a2 is 6 and 3. What is c1 c2? Minus 10 and 8. Let's find cross multiplication. 6 into 8 minus 10 into 3. 6 8 is 48 minus plus 3 10 is 30. This comes to 78. Now we find the value of dx and dy and everything. So find the value of x. X is equal to dx upon dx. We find here dx is minus 26 upon d is 39. Divide it by 13 to the and 33 is. So this will minus 2 upon 3. Y is equal to dy upon d. What is dy? dy is 78 upon 39. 39 2 is 78. So y is equal to 2. We have to solve the equation. So solution is x and y is equal to, x is equal to minus 2 upon 3 and y is equal to 2. This is the second question of this fifth one. Equation given is 4m minus 2n is equal to minus 4 and 4m plus 3n is equal to 16. So put this equation in the proper form. 4m minus 2n is equal to minus 4. Equation number 1. 4m plus 3n is equal to 16. Our equation number 2. Writing. We have to solve the equation by determinant method or by Cramer's rule. So write the formula. A1, A2, B1, B2. Here put the value. A1, A2, 4 and 4. B1, B2, minus 2 and 3. Minus 2 and 3. Solve this. 4 into 3 minus 2 into 4. 4 into 3, 12 minus plus 4 to the 8. Minus 12 and 8 is 20. Find dx. Dx is equal to c1 c2 b1 b2. Value of c1 c2. c1 c2 is minus 4 and 16. Minus 4 and 16. b1 b2 is minus 2 and 3. Minus 2 and 3. Minus 4 into 3 minus 2 into 16. 4 3 the 12, so minus 12 minus plus 16 to the 32. 12 minus and 32 plus is plus 20. Find the value of dy. dy is equal to a1 a2 c1 c2. What is a1 a2? a1 a2 is 4 4 and c1 c2 is minus 4 and 16. Four into 16 minus 4 into 4. 16 for the 64 minus plus 4 for the 16. 64 and 16 is 70 and 80. So find x. X is equal to dx upon d. What is dx? dx is 20 upon d. d is also 20. This comes to 1. Find y. y is equal to dy upon d. What is dy? dy is 80. 80 upon 20, it comes to 4. So solution x and y is equal to 1 and 4. Now question number 3. Question is 3x minus 2y is equal to 5 upon 2 and 1 upon 3x plus 3y is equal to minus 4 upon 3. In this question हम देख रहे हैं कि यहाँ पर तो फिगर ठीक है, यहाँ पे अपॉन में 2 आ रहा है और यहाँ पे अपॉन में 3 है, तो पहले हम इक्वेशन को मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2 कर देंगे इसको, ताकि ये अपॉन का जो 2 है वो ख़त्म हो जाए. सो लेट्स सी, मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2 इन द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. सो 2 into 3x minus 2 into 2y is equal to 2 into 5 upon 2. What we have done? Equation number 1 multiply by 2. अब यहाँ पे हम देखेंगे कि therefore 2 into 3 6x minus 2 into 2 4y is equal to, it gets cancelled and it is 5. So this one is our equation number 3. Now comes to equation number 2. Multiply it by 3. 3 into 1 upon 3x plus 3 into 3y is equal to 3 into minus 4 upon 3. What I have done? Equation number 2 multiply by 3. So let this one cancel, here this one cancel. So it comes x plus 9y is equal to minus 4. It is our equation number 4. Now write the both equation closely for our convenient. 6x minus 4y is equal to 5. This one is equation number 3, and x plus 9y is equal to minus 4. It is our equation number 4. Now solve the equation by determinant method or Cramer's rule. So D is equal to A1 A2 and B1 B2. What is A1 A2? A1 A2 is 6 and 1. B1 B2 is minus 4 and 9. 6 into 9 minus 4 into 1. 6 9 6 are 54 minus plus and 4 on the 4. This comes to 58. Find dx. Dx is equal to C1 C2 B1 B2. C1 C2 is 5 and minus 4. 5 and minus 4. B1 B2 is minus 4 and 9. Minus 4 and 9. This comes to 5 into 9 minus 4 into minus 4. Here 9 5s are 45. Here minus minus plus, plus minus minus. 4 4s are 16. 45 minus 16 means from this we'll take 15. 15 minus 6 is 9. And here 3 minus 1 is 2, 29. Now we find dx. Then now find dy. dy is equal to a1 a2, yes, c1 c2. What is a1 a2? a1 a2 is from here 6 and 1. 6 and 1. C1 C2 is 4, 5 and minus 4. Let's solve this one. 6 into minus 4 minus 5 into 1. This plus minus is minus. 6 4 the 24 minus 5, that is minus 29. Now finding x. X is equal to dx upon d. What is dx? Dx we have find 29. 29 upon d we have find d is 58. This comes to 1 upon 2. 29 to the 58. And y. Y is equal to here dy upon d. What is dy? dy is minus 29 and d is 58. So this comes to minus 1 upon 2. Solution is xy is equal to 1 upon 2 and minus 1 upon 2. Now our question number 4 of the same question. 7x plus 3y is equal to 15 and 12y minus 5x is equal to 39. हम यह देख सकते हैं कि दोनों प्रॉपर पोजीशन में नहीं है. यहाँ x एंड y है, यहाँ y एंड x है, तो इसको सही पोजीशन में पहले हम रखेंगे. सो सी 7x plus 3y is equal to 15. इट इज आवर इक्वेशन नंबर 1. इसकी पोजीशन हम बदल देंगे. x को पहले लिखेंगे माइनस 5x प्लस 12y इज इक्वल टू 39. ये हमारा है इक्वेशन नंबर 2. इसको हम क्रैमर्स रूल या डिटरमिनेंट मेथड से सॉल्व करेंगे. सो सर फाइंड d. d इज a1 a2 b1 b2 इज इक्वल टू a1 a2 क्या है 7 एंड माइनस 5, b1 b2 है 3 एंड 12. 7 इंटू 12 माइनस 3 इंटू माइनस 5. यहाँ दो सिंबल्स आ गए, इसलिए ब्रैकेट का यूज करना कंपलसरी है. दिस वन इज 7 टू द 14 and 1 7 84 minus minus plus 5 3 the 15. Now sum this 5 4 9 and 8 1 9. D is 99. Find dx. Dx is equal to C1 C2 B1 B2. What is C1 C2? C1 C2 is 15 and 39. What is B1 B2? 3 and 12. 15 into 12 minus 3 into 39. 15 to the 30, remaining is 3. 15 15 3 18 minus 3 9 the 27, remaining 2 3 3 9 9 to 11. From this 10 deduct 7, that is 3. From this 7 1 remaining 6, so is 63. Find dy. Dy is equal to a1 a2 c1 c2. What is a1 a2? A1 a2 is 7 and minus 5, and c1 c2 is 15 and 39. 7 into 39 minus 15 into minus 5. 7 9 the 63, 3, 7 3 the 21, 21 and 6, 27, minus minus plus 15 5 the 75. Sum this 5 and 3 8, 7 7 14, remaining 1 2 and 3 348. We have got the value of d. D is 99, dx is 63 and dy is 348. Find the value of x. Value of x is equal to dx upon d. What is dx? 63 upon d is 99 divided by 3. 3 2 the 3 1 the and 3 3 33. So dx is 21 upon 33. Again 2 and 3. 3 is divided by 3 and 3 3 3 means it is divisible by 3. 3 7 are 21 and 3 11 means x is 7 upon 11. Find y. Y is equal to dy upon d. What is dy? Dy is 348 upon d is 99 divided by 3. 3 ones are, this 3 ones are, and 3 6 are. Yeah, 3 3. This comes to 116 upon 33. We can't reduce it more, so our solution is 7 upon 11 and 116 upon 33. Now this one is our question number 5 of the same question. X plus y minus 8 upon 2 is equal to x plus 2y minus 14 upon 3 is equal to 3x माइनस वाई अपॉन 4. इस क्वेश्चन आप देखेंगे कि जैसा इक्वेशन हमें हर सवाल में दिया जाता है वैसी इक्वेशन नहीं, तो ऐसी सूरत में वैसी इक्वेशन हमें बनानी पड़ेगी. दिस ऑल आर दिस वन इज इक्वल टू दिस वन इज इक्वल टू दिस वन. तो हम इन दो को पहले लेंगे और इससे हम इक्वेशन डिराइव करेंगे. तो इन दो को हम देखेंगे पहले. x प्लस वाई माइनस 8 अपॉन 2 is equal to x plus 2y minus 14 upon 3. इसको हम क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 3 का मल्टीप्लाई यहाँ कर देंगे हम. 3x प्लस वाई माइनस 8 और 2 से मल्टीप्लाई यहाँ कर देंगे. 2x प्लस 2y माइनस 14. This comes to 3x plus 3y minus 3 8 the 24 is equal to 2x plus 4y minus 28. जो वेरिएबल्स उनको एक साइड में कर लेंगे और नॉन फिगर्स को एक तरफ कर लेंगे. सो 3x प्लस 3y माइनस 2x माइनस 4y इज इक्वल टू माइनस 28. ये 24 किधर ले गए? प्लस 24. नाउ दिस इज 3x एंड माइनस 2x इज x. 3y minus 4y is minus y is equal to minus 28 plus 24 is minus 4. This is our equation number 1. Now अब हम यहाँ से इन दोनों के साथ हमने एक इक्वेशन बनाया. अब इन दोनों के साथ भी हम इक्वेशन बना सकते हैं और फर्स्ट और थर्ड से भी इक्वेशन बना सकते हैं. हम याद रखें फर्स्ट और थर्ड जो छोटे फिगर्स है, इसलिए फर्स्ट और थर्ड से ही हम इक्वेशन बनाए तो ईजी होगा. तो फर्स्ट वन को हम लिखें x प्लस वाई माइनस 8 अपॉन 2 इज इक्वल टू 3x माइनस वाई अपॉन 4. उसी तरह से क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करें. 4x प्लस वाई माइनस 8 इज इक्वल टू 3x माइनस वाई. दिस कम्स टू 4x प्लस 4y माइनस 4 8 जा 32 इज इक्वल टू 6x माइनस 2y. नॉन फिगर वेरिएबल्स को एक तरफ, नॉन फिगर्स को एक तरफ. नाउ 4x प्लस 4y माइनस 6x दिस कम्स हियर प्लस 2y इज इक्वल टू माइनस 32 को राइट साइड ले जाएंगे तो ये हो जाएगा प्लस 32. 4x minus 6x is minus 2x. 4y plus 2y is plus 6y is equal to 32. इसमें से हम कॉमन ले लेंगे 2 कॉमन. Therefore 2 कॉमन minus x plus 3y is equal to 32. 2 को हम इधर ले जाएंगे तो minus x plus 3y is equal to 32 upon 2. 32 अपॉन 2 एंड इसको डिडक्ट करेंगे 16. सो माइनस एक्स प्लस 3y इज इक्वल टू 16. दिस इज आवर इक्वेशन नंबर 2. अब इससे जो है हम सॉल्व करेंगे अपना डिटर्मिनेंट मेथड से. x minus y is equal to minus 4. Here minus x plus 3y is equal to 16. Find the d. d is 1 minus 1. First we write the value of d, means formula of d a1 a2 b1 b2. a1 a2 is 1 and minus 1, b1 b2 minus 1 and 3. Here 1 into 3 minus 1 into minus 1. 1 into 3 is 3, minus minus plus, plus minus minus, 1 1 is 1 is equal to 2. Find dx. dx is c1 c2 b1 b2. What is c1 c2? Minus 4 and 16. What is b1 b2? Minus 1 and 3. Minus 4 into 3 minus 1 into 16. Minus 4 3 the minus 12. Minus minus plus 16. This comes to 4. Find dy. dy is equal to a1 a2 and c1 c2. What is a1 a2? a1 a2 is 1 and minus 1. c1 c2 is minus 4 and 16. 1 into 16 minus 4 into minus 1. 16 minus plus minus is minus, 4 is 12. Now find x. X is equal to dx upon d. What is dx? Dx is 4. And what is d? D is 2. Is equal to 2. Find y. Y is dy upon d. What is dy? Dy is 12 upon d is 2. 2 6. So solution, x and y is equal to x is 2 and y is 6.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.